Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have permission and you're ready? Start by opening Emoji, GG, and locating the expression you want. Once found, choose whether you need an animated GIF or a static PNG. That choice affects file size and upload method. Next, download the image at the largest allowed resolution or use the site's export button. Smaller files reduce upload errors. Make sure you keep the original file name short, because short names make Discord uploads, and later renaming faster and less error-prone. Now prepare the file for Discord compatibility. Optimize PNGs and compress GIF so they fit under Discord's limits. Animated GIF often need frame reduction. Once optimized, open your server's settings, navigate to Emoji, then click Upload Emoji and pick the file you saved. Give it a concise name. That name becomes the shortcode people will type. After uploading, test it in a channel. Make sure your server's emoji list shows the new entry and confirm animation plays if applicable. Finish by testing the emoji across desktop and mobile to confirm appearance, animation, and alignment. Once done, adjust role or channel permissions if you want to restrict usage, and remember Nitro is required for using animated or server-specific emojis globally. If the emoji doesn't appear or upload fails, first verify you still have Manage Emojis permission, then reduce file dimensions or compress until under the limit. Finally, re-upload and rename if Discord cached an old version. That usually resolves persistency issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.